What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another session of Bear Break and Fix, brought to you by the Raw Coders. Yes, that's us. In today's episode, we're gonna be hopefully completing the backend function of getting bored by name, and you might be already observing that Kartik is in here. I haven't really heard anything from him, so I'm not really sure what is going on. But hopefully he will be back, and he will be able to join us as soon as he's back. All right, cool, perfect. Just before moving on, I will be uh, doing the acknowledgement. So just bear with me for a sec. Du-du-du-du. All right, here we go. So here comes the acknowledgement of the country. I begin today by acknowledging the traditional custodians of the land on which we gather today and pay my respects to their elders past, present, and future. I extend that respect to Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people here today. All right, guys, I've just checked my phone and seems like uh Kartik was contacting me, and I forgot to send him the link too. So I'll just do that really quickly, and then he will be able to jump in with us. There we go. Open up. I'm just opening the messaging app, and we can take it from there. Here we go. That is done. So hopefully he will come up and we can pay pay program as usual. All right, here we go. So acknowledgement is done. So I'll just share my screen and open up VS Code, and we can take it from there. Right, open up my backend repo and open folder. My SAM API. Yep, that is the one that we want to be working on. I'll just probably have to check in the comments as well what's happening, so I'm all update. Right, here we go. Perfect. So all right. So what we need to do is we need to have our VS Code there. Okay, cool. So I guess this is the. Oh, so why might just because I did all this code earlier on, I'll
Dude,
remove this one. Okay.
you have to send me the links, and I thought you forgot about that part of the transaction.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that, and then I saw the phone probably around two past half
Yeah.
and
So
9:32, and I was like, "Oops, okay, here we go."
I literally got the notification like they started streaming. I was like, okay, let's just watch the stream. Like, and you're like, oh yeah, I haven't heard from. Like, I'm literally trying to text you. Like, send me the link.
Yeah, but I didn't have my phone, and when stream comes on, the phone is on silent.
Yeah.
Besides, I think we have the fixed timings. So if you can let me know these kind of things a bit in advance and not leave them to the
I mean,
extreme last
I would need the
minute.
link anyway. I would need the link anyway, right? Like,
Yes, I
regardless.
was about to send it to you, but anyway, hope we have learned something from this occasion for the future. Moving
Very
on,
good.
so
That's
I've done
really
the
good.
acknowledgement. And so what me and Kartik did, yeah, me and Finesh did yesterday was we started the backend function for getting board by name.
Right.
Do you follow me?
Yeah, getting bored my name. Doesn't sound too
Fantastic.
complicated.
Cool. So I hit half the function. So I just it's a good idea that we can probably complete the function today. It's half done already. Does that make sense?
Yeah, yeah, sure. So till what point has it been done?
Okay, so it's because I was working on that in the evening because I've had a bit of free time.
Yep.
So, uh, can you see my screen, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep. Okay.
Right. So he did this part here.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Basically, is essentially copying the get board by ID and just changing it to get it by name.
Yeah. That sounds fair. What? Which part of the like? Is it not working? Like, or is it not complete?
Oh no, so this part he did, and I worked on this part here.
Nice.
So I'll just explain the code for the viewers.
Hmm?
So here what and you basically. So
Yeah.
here what I did was I wanted to get a particular board, but with a particular board name. So I'm passing it this key condition of board name, and then I'm just basically querying it. That's all.
Right. Yeah, makes sense.
Cool. Perfect. So let's deploy this and see if it really works or not. I've got a feeling that this won't work on my machine.
So look.
CD. No. Ah, yeah. What am I doing? It's not front end.
Hey Tori. Hey Gaddafi. Hello.
Good job, you
What?
guys.
What? What do you mean, like water, or do you mean what's up? I think it's water because it's
It
so
means
dry.
war. Yeah. All
What's?
right, Miss. Mm-hmm.
Why are you so excited today, Tori?
She passed the interview, Tori, with Shopify as a front end engineer.
Wait, did you have an interview?
I don't know when was the interview, but he did say that he had an interview.
That was a while ago, right? I think that was last week.
No, as in just today.
Oh,
He told me and Finesh.
ooh, gee, what was the interview for? Oh, it's in January, right? The interview is in
Oh,
January.
okay. Right, right. I
In your
see.
gullets. Yep. Did that get some water soon?
Yep. There we go.
I'll actually refill. Give me one sec.
Profile scrambler. API stack. Yes, that's the one. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. Either someone's busted or someone um has something on fire or someone's not feeling well at all.
That's the fire brigade. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna suspect fire.
Me too. Okay. So let's just get this done and test our functionality. Um. Okay, I need to close my balcony to deploy this chainsaw.
That is fine.
Um.
That could be the case story. Nah, I
True.
like Gag Devs better though.
Hmm. By the way, do you wash all the brand new shirts first and then wear it?
Um, yeah, I think that's a good idea actually. Anyway, um, yeah, in general also. So I'll do my washing weekend.
Okay, so when can the viewers expect to see in a Rule Coders t-shirt?
Never. I'll never wear it.
Well, that's not gonna happen. So there has to be a day.
Mm, never.
Never isn't a day that though there's only 7 days from Monday to Sunday. So
The day when I
you need to
get the
pick
link
free.
on time,
You need to pick free.
the
That's
day
that's not
the,
gonna happen.
the day when I get the link on time, then.
It literally happens every single day. It just didn't happen today. And
Yeah,
uh,
and makes me sad. That makes me sad.
oh yeah, if you could turn up on time, that wouldn't happen then, isn't it?
Yeah, well, I turned up to 9:26, didn't I?
Which happens occasionally.
All right. Yeah. Okay. My bad.
Yeah, I think it's good to be in a team team spirit. As in, if all the team members wear, then you should wear it as well. Just saying as a
All right.
team
Okay.
spirit.
Yeah. I'll do my
And I'm
washing.
serious now, by the way. I'm
Okay.
serious.
Okay. I'll do my washing during the weekend. So,
If you can, because I would expect to see that on Monday.
boo. Okay. All right. Nah, fair enough. Fair enough. Yeah.
Yes. Which one was it? Okay, I'm gonna do this. Okay, change it to same. And then I've got my user 765.
Yeah. That was a bit anticlimactic diff story, wasn't it? Oh, also
Okay.
account ID is
Yeah, yeah, true.
there you go.
No, that's my personal one.
Yeah.
Okay, I need my account ID 76595. Here we go. Perfect. No, there has to be it. Oh, come on, mate. This one. This one. Cool. Okay, so we open up Lambda. Actually, we don't even have. Yeah, we can open this one up.
Yeah.
Which one was this? Was this one? Yeah, and configuration. Where did I go? Monitor. Oh, we still need to enable this in the logs from it, isn't it? Oh, it's already enabled. Okay, let's test it and see if it works. Where's Postman? Get board. Get on board. Okay, I will need another one. Get this URL. Board. Board name. No, that can't be. What is it? Board name or board? What was it?
That should be the board name, so the actual board name.
Yeah, true. So get all boards. If we do this one,
Broke
where
the
did I
code.
mess up? Where did I mess up? This is not looking nice. Oh, syntax error. The shorthand initializer on line 98. No, it can't be on 98. Invalid shorthand property initializer. Which 98 and 140? It can't be 140, so it must be 98 here somewhere. No, it can't be that either.
It's something outside the code. Uncode exception. Blah, blah, blah.
Invalid, so that's on. I just want to find out the line number where it's throwing there. 140?
No, that's user function.
Actually, what I'm gonna do, this is confusing me a bit. I'm gonna close all the functions there. So it's a bit clearer. Board name, get board ID. There we go. Okay, here we go. This is much better now. So, according to me, it should be 98. Load user app. 98.
So 98 is different when you compile like this, and when you close all the function, the line is different.
How can the line be different when I close all the functions? Because they're on the actual lines. All I have to do is just expand or...
Yeah, if you expand, well, also the 98 which you're looking for, it's not of the app.js. If you go back to it's user function.js.
So that's probably not where it's coming from. You need to look for app.js. User entry runner 708.
Maybe it is something else.
It's saying it's a syntax error.
Yeah, invalid shorthand property initializer. I think what that means is that
So the method that we did, this is working fine, I'm pretty sure. So think it would be here somewhere.
oh, I know what it is. Show me the code. Which is the new code which you added?
So this is the new method we've added. As in this one.
Yep.
Request params. that's fine. Syntax.
What is board name on line 154? Also, the word board name with a B capital and N capital is being used multiple times.
It should be, because that's a property, as
Right.
in the column.
And you're getting the same thing in the parameter and the body.
Yeah.
Oh, um, 1 second. Go down a little. Go down.
Board name is this one. Board name is that. This is closing off there, and this is closing off here. Then try board. That one. And catch error. This is ending here. Yeah. Oh, it can't be this one. It has to be the other function, because I just did get all boards, so it can't be that function.
No, it didn't show the get all boards first. No, not this one. The one above it, line 68.
I know. I'm just collapsing them because I don't want to get confused. Okay, cool. So board data, scan everything. But this hasn't been changed.
Hmm.
Hang on, I'm gonna find out how to see the line number where the error is coming from in lambda logs. Errors in the hard to get console line. So access. Oh, so it does come from in expo handler one, which means that in our case it would be module compile. Entry main.js. Syntax. And load user app user function. Just somehow think it would be this is the user function here. Lambda handler can't be in that one. It has to be somewhere around here. Okay, hang on a minute. 98. I'm gonna go with all those lines and see what I get back. That one is there. Okay, so it definitely can't be this function. Line 14C. 140 is here. Stringify error. Um, R, then that one. That comes all the way from there, which is fine. Have you got any suggestions?
Trying to look up on the internet.
Okay. 43. What does that show me? No, that can't be this. Nine can't be that one. Loader. No. Actually, hang on. We'll try this once again. Oh, no, they shouldn't make a difference. No. I was thinking that the URL might have changed.
Mhm.
I was thinking that the URL might have changed.
Right.
That doesn't make sense. Okay. Undefined error, uncall exception.
So GetDev says the core is compiled with serverless. They literally can't find mapping. You have to either install linting or download the code from Lambda itself.
Right, okay.
I mean, just try commenting that function out and just try push it up and see what happens.
Right. We can try commenting it out for now. Board, yeah, this one.
Not this one. Leave that one. Because that's the original function. Comment the other one out. It's up. Go up. Yeah, there it is. Line 145.
Actually, what I'm gonna do also is install linting. It would be called the JS linting, isn't it? JS refactoring hint. JS hint.
I think
JS hint.
just linting means something totally different. I mean,
Integrate.
like,
Mhm.
I'm not sure if there's like a extension for it.
I'll have a look shortly.
I mean, there's an app I know which is called JSLint. Oh yeah, or ESLint, yeah. But I'm not sure if that's an extension. It's called ESLint. Um,
Yes, is it?
yeah, I have heard of JSLint. I don't know. They both
Ah,
say
here we go.
yeah,
This
eh,
one
the
or
first one.
ESLint. Integrates ESLint JavaScript into VS Code in the open workspace. Okay, I think that's probably what we need.
Shout out to anyone watching, any employers. Give this man a job.
Okay, so on new folders, you might need to create a .eslint.rc configuration file. You can do this by the
Oh yes, we need to configure it. So
yeah,
that's fun.
much fun. I would say much fun. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and try that again and see if this works this time. Okay, so the problem was in that method.
Hmm. So kind of whack.
No, that's fine. Because this is how we learn. So board ID. Okay, where did we possibly go wrong? Um, okay, just check this one first. Right, this one is so the board if board name
Alrighty, kicked out. Let's see what you sent there.
and press
I need to go into it again. So
board
that's
name
fun,
is
I guess.
error return res yeah return then else board name is will come from the params.
Like, do you recommend just copying and pasting it, or let me see. ESLint RC. What is an RC?
Board name switch is name valid board name yeah case false. If this doesn't work then just go back and return, otherwise case is true. See yeah, then this is the board names, don't need that one, don't need that one either. um okay yeah, okay, I've got a feeling that mine messed up here. I'll try this.
Hmm.
She managed to figure out how to as in configure ESLint.
What? Oh, yeah. GetDev sent a link.
Mm-hmm.
Trying to that, but
Mm-hmm.
I don't get why you have. Can you show me deploy it first? But then show me one thing. Show me the function is name valid.
Is
Name valid.
here.
Yeah,
Oh,
like
you
show me
want the
the
function? Okay.
yeah. Yeah, I don't know why we are testing the board name for regex. If that makes sense to you.
What if the user types in as in an invalid board name and we can't just allow that, can we?
All right, but like why this regex for made for board IDs? I think you guys just copied and pasted it. It wasn't meant for
No,
board.
it says is name valid.
But see the regex on line 38. That's specifically for board ID.
Hang on. So that means if this is specifically for board ID, then what we're using as in testing against here and here is the same, is it?
Um, yeah, literally the same
Because
regex object is there.
yes, so that means that we'll have to change it, how we are checking is the name valid in when we are creating the board as well.
Yeah, we just want the board ID to be alphanumeric. There's nothing complicated in that. So
Yes.
with the board ID, it was a bit more complicated. Um, but that's not the problem. It's just I was
All right.
trying to
Yeah.
point.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know if that's causing the problem as well. Like go back to the thing and let's see. I have a feeling that there is some global variable being used inside that function.
It's interesting you picked out that there could be a problem because I did when I was working on it. I did change the board to be the global variable here,
Mm-hmm. All right. Can
but
you find?
yeah.
Oh, that might be a big. Isn't every like board being used as a
No,
in the
non.
URL?
The board variable, no. The board as a hard code is string, yes.
All right. Okay.
So if
Let's-
you see here, the only two functions that are using that board is one where we get a specific board here
Yep.
and where we get another board which was here as well.
Hmm.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. That's fine. That shouldn't be the problem.
Okay, I'm gonna go and test that one again and see if what I've commented out makes a problem. Okay, yeah, so that whole method is causing a problem. Board name here. So why would he say that? I'm just trying to get to the bottom of it. Oh, come on. Mm, 90, 140, 43. Okay, I'm gonna go and get the GetDevs link that he sent.
Yeah. You do that.
Um, where was it? Where was it? Where was it?
There you go. 1002.
Ah, right. Let's try and get that from the element. Where was it? Ah, lost it again.
10:02.
10:02. 10, this one. Go away. Span. Height. No, it can't be that one. Dip platform.
Mm.
Let's enter a sample. So do we just use this file?
Yep. So it's a tricky thing to set this up. I'm not sure. I've never done it, but it'll be
Me
fun.
neither. Hmm. There must be instructions there. How to do it. Okay, asking for confirmation. Release notes. Okay. Extension with the phone that didn't provide. On the extension looks for if you haven't installed it, either locally or globally, do so by install in linked. Okay, Wi-Fi do it globally. On new folders, you might also need to create a link configuration file. Ah, right. On new folders, so where do we find these new folders? You can do this by either
Wait,
using VS Code.
that's for installing ESLint. Dory?
Either using the VS Code command create or by running ESLint command into a terminal. ESLint. Oh, right. Wow. If you've installed it locally, then this one on the Windows and this one on the Linux Macs. If you have installed Linux locally, if you have installed ESLint globally, see above, then run. Yeah, I've done this one. Let's do this. Okay, so what would you like to use ESLint for? To check syntax only, to check syntax only, and find problems. Yeah, probably find problems as well, and enforce code style. Yeah, I like that one. JavaScript module import require no JavaScript modules. Yeah, probably this one.
Oh, so
Hmm?
now I was reading Cactus comment.
They putting my leg again now.
No, it's just general like pulling.
Okay. Okay. Which framework does your project use? None of these. Does your project use TypeScript? No. Browser. Where does your code run in browser? Choose a popular style guide. Answer question about your style. Inspect. Use a popular style guide. Yeah. Okay. Airbnb. What? Airbnb. Standard Google. Which one shall we go for? Airbnb standard Google or Xcode?
What's the difference between them?
Just the style guide, basically. I don't even know what this is.
Um, Well, there's a bit of an issue with this whole thing, Agdev. The next video is more very inclusive slash very research heavy, so writing the script is a bit big problem. But hopefully this weekend I want to. Um, Today was last day at work, so that was helpful. Now I get more time. Um,
Okay, so you finished, as in work
yeah,
for the
one
holiday
and a,
period.
yeah, 1.5 weeks. The topic is more like AWS stuff, but I just want to create like just one video on YouTube covering probably everything. So that's why it's getting a bit tricky. Also,
Computer
I have to interview
studies.
two people we both know for the same. So, and I want to do it in person with one of them. So, yeah.
Google. Ah, right.
But yeah, I was like, um, yeah, really happy with the response.
No, man, it is a really good response. As in, how many views have you got now?
I don't know. I think I didn't check recently, but I think it was like 1,000.
Which is really as an impressive, considering it hasn't even been 2 weeks yet, isn't it?
Yeah, but I know a lot of people do like better. Like, I know this guy who posted like 3 videos and he's like at 50K subscribers. So, you know.
You get there. You get there.
Tori sent something on Slack. Let's have a
Um,
look, Tori. Okay.
JavaScript YAML. In which one shall I do it? JavaScript YAML.
Open Slack. Tori sent what you need to do.
Huh? Open Slack. Ops.
Yeah, not on the
Was-
main screen though. That
Yeah, I was gonna say whoops. Alright, my one of the bulb just got fused,
that
which is
that
why it's
helps.
a bit dark here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna stop sharing my screen. Oh, you have done that already, or no, you
I
haven't?
can do that. Oh, there you go.
Cool, brilliant. So Miss Tori sent us some gem. Let's see what he sent. So is I install then make a yeah. That's what I'm doing at the moment, Tori. By in terminal though, from the above into the. Oh, okay. So that's basically a shortcut. Right. I'll probably do that then.
Hmm. Yeah, I'm
Take the
here.
shortcut. Take the shortcut. Um, which one was it? Yeah, this no. Okay, what I'm gonna do is forget that one. I'm gonna end this process and just create a folder, create a file called eslint.rc. then copy the above, copy the whole file. This is gonna be oops. You can go away. Don't need you. Okay, and paste that on here. So now, how do we play it? I guess it would just show up, as in where are the syntax errors.
Yeah. That's what Tui said as well. So
Is it?
yeah, just
Because I can't see
chuck
it
it.
yet. I've chucked it. Oops, there's collision error. Dispatched a JSON object array or literal. Let's const.
Yeah, the extension is .js.
Right. That's where I messed up.
Thanks
Oh,
for pointing it out.
yeah, thank you. So now it should just work, is it?
Yeah. Yes. I
Oh,
mean, there are a couple of problems. The couple looks like 280.
properties shouldn't be quoted as all codes are redundant. Whoa, alright, fine. So basically it means this, that there shouldn't be any quotes. Wow. It's gonna take a bit of time.
Mhm.
Actually, what I might do is do this, replace with a space, replace all, no. Okay, that's looking good. And if we replace this with all as well, cool. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
that seems promising now. And now if we go back to there, it should show us where we went wrong or not. Interesting. I'll have to see a video tutorial on how to set this lintarsi up.
Yeah. Yeah. Me too. I don't even
Um,
know what it is. Like, so I need to see what it is first.
lintarsi in VS Code. Okay, how to format your code using. Okay, yeah, that's the one we want. Search for is okay. Open the extension browser. We've done that. Configure right. This is the one we need. Setting to use formatting. Open a vehicle settings on the Mac CMD
Yep.
Plus.
Yep.
So if you go into on the Mac CMD Plus, no, this is just giving me. This is just zooming in. Settings. Where's the settings? On Mac, press CMD plus will get there through the menu. Code preference. I'll probably do this. Code preferences settings. Okay. Settings. It will open up a fancy settings editor, but we need the raw JSON setting file instead. Right. Click the tiny icon in the top right. Okay. In the top right, that looks like a piece of wood with a little arrow. Add these 4 lines inside the top level settings. Add these four lines. These are 3 lines, not 4. Actually, it might mean that as well.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
This is fun, to be honest.
What do they mean though, like the lines?
Add, hang on, I'm gonna do this and then understand it. Add these 4 new lines inside the top level setting object.
Yeah.
Top level setting object, which would be this one. So here. Okay, so it's basically saying enable the ENS lens formatting, and then editor code actions on save.
Yeah.
Oopsie. Code actions on save source fix source. So this one needs to end here. And then it says fix all ESLint has to be true as well. I don't really know what this means. Fix all ESLint is true. Do you maybe know?
I don't. I'm trying to Google what ESLint is. Honestly, I'm trying to see the tutorials. What is it though, like Jen? Like, what exactly is?
From my understanding, it's just a kind of a syntax indicator for JavaScript. As in, if you have syntax errors and you install ESLint, it will basically show you where have you got the wrong syntax, and it can also format the code for you and highlight all the syntax errors.
Right.
That's basically what I'm understanding so far.
Yeah. Yeah, makes sense.
Okay, the first turn. So it explains it. So I'm a numbnut. So
Tori's trying to say something. Tori,
uh-huh.
what is up?
The first one turns on. Yes.
Hello, Tori. Why is Tori calling me? Wait, Tori's calling me. One second.
Make it to the formatting menu. Save. Right. Actions also. They should do save the settings file and close it. We are done. Okay. They should be try making some change to a file that violates ESLint. From maybe leaving off a semicolon if they are required. Right. So basically, no semicolon are required. Come on. Okay, if I left the semicolon and did Um,
I had a very important meeting with Tori. He sent
when
a code snippet in Slack and told to add that in package or JSON. Basically, if you do this, everyone's gonna have linting errors when they execute the code.
right.
But I don't
I
know why.
see.
If you understand why, then please tell me.
So the way I would understand it because is that my VS Code configuration might be committed in the repo, and then when others have the code, because they
Mhm.
might not have ESLint in their VS Code, then it's gonna really cry that
Okay.
I need that, but you guys haven't got it. But it will work fine for me because I've already got it.
Mhm.
That's what my instincts say. Am I right, Tori?
Hmm. Pretty much. All right. Just let's just add that in package or JSON.
Yes, I'm just gonna stop my. Ashley, can you stop my screen shares so I can do
Yep.
that?
It
As
stopped.
in, go to Slack and check it. Scripts, line fix, add it to your package of JSON. .js because no. Ah, right, cool. I see. Perfect. Cool. So if you, I would have to go back into my settings and remove that. There we go.
Hmm.
Perfect. It should be okay now. So I would go into my package.json and then just add it there. Scripts. I'll add into the scripts.
I'll add your screen now.
Yeah, please do. That's my script. There we go. Okay, cool. So
Hmm.
basically, now it should just show us the errors,
Yeah,
if I'm right.
I do. I just don't understand Tori. I need like yeah. I just don't understand the topic. That's why.
Right,
But yeah.
still not doing anything. Let me just open this one and maybe it would show us something. No. Right, guys. I'll probably have to do it in my own time, and I'll update you guys tomorrow. How did it go on this? Because this is becoming addicted, blah, addicted, fun problem solving.
Hmm.
All right. So yeah, we can leave it off at this stage, and then I'll probably try my best to get this problem solved by tomorrow and see how I go.
Hmm. Very nice. Alrighty.
All right. Do you want to do the closing off?
Yeah. Looks good. Let's come back tomorrow for
Yeah.
um to see how we can do that. And if not, we'll just go ahead. I don't know what ESLint is still properly, so I'll go ahead and do some research. But yeah, my work is off, so I'm pretty happy for the next 1.5 weeks.
Yeah, that's pretty good. My last day is on Friday, and then I'm gonna be having a week off
Nice.
before
That's pretty
starting a new job. So looking forward to that.
nice. Oh yeah, where is that though? I forgot which place.
It's still in the city, but it's on Collins Street.
Nice. Yeah,
Mm.
even my work's on Collins Street.
Oh,
So
okay.
I can.
That's pretty good.
Alrighty.
All
See
right.
you guys tomorrow.
Cool,
Till
guys. See you guys same time, same place, and
same task.
you sound really depressed and same time just
Oh yeah,
saying
work day, dude. Work day.
get it over with. Come on, Zane. Get it over with. Is it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Just work day, bro.
All right.
Alrighty.
Cool, cool
Good night.
guys.
Cheers.
Oh, good night. Cheers. Bye.